Hey everyone, welcome back. Choosing the right electric shaver should be simple, but with so many options, it rarely is. That's why we tested shavers across every price range and style to find the best picks for every need. Whether you want a premium close shave or a solid budget option, foil or rotary, wet or dry, we've got you covered. So smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's jump in. Starting with the best all-rounder if you have the budget. The Bronze Series 9, PRO plus 9,567 cubic centimeters. The Series 9 PRO Plus electric shaver features 5 perfectly synchronized shaving elements that deliver exceptional efficiency and skin comfort, even on the longest and trickiest hair in every stroke. Ultimate precision even on tricky hair. The built-in precision. Pro Trimmer on this beard shaver is enhanced with surgical-grade steel and gives maximum cutting efficiency even on mustaches, sideburns, and under the nose. Premium cleaning and charging stand. The 6-in-1 Smart Care Center automatically charges and cleans, lubricates, and dries at the touch of a button for a beard shaver that performs like new every day. Built to last for years. Made in Germany, this durable cordless shaver is titanium-coated for resistance to corrosion and 100% waterproof with a powerful 60-minute Li-ion battery runtime. Ultimate holiday gift set, equipped with 5 ProShave elements for a close, comfortable shave. This is the premium electric shaver. The Panasonic Arc 5 ESLV65S is best for a very close shave. Sharp Men's electric shaver blades. The Panasonic Arc 5 features 5 ultra-sharp, precision-honed 30-degree nanotech blades and ultra-thin arc foil that follow facial contours for a quick, close, and comfortable shave. Charging time is just 1 hour. Wet-dry men's electric razor and trimmer 2-in-1. The built-in pop-up trimmer details mustaches, beards, and sideburns. A wet-dry waterproof shaver allows for shaving in or out of the shower. Power source. A C100 to 240 volts automatic international dual conversion. Multi-flex pivoting head. The Panasonic flexible pivoting shaver head glides effortlessly to trace the face, chin, neck, and jaw. The built-in shaving sensor monitors differences in beard density and automatically adjusts power. High-performance motor and linear drive. LCD battery indicator. The cordless shaver's 10-stage LCD shows battery status at a glance. Rechargeable, portable, and travel-friendly. Perfect for the closest shave possible. The Bronze Series 88560cc is the perfect choice if you want near Series 9 performance at a more approachable price point. What really sets this model apart is Bronze Power Case, a premium protective charging case designed to keep your shaver safe from bumps, scratches, dust, and even liquid spills. It's not just a case either. Inside is a powerful built-in Li-ion battery that boosts your total runtime by up to 50%, delivering as much as 90 minutes of shaving power without needing to plug in. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or just don't want to worry about daily charging, the Power Case makes life incredibly convenient. The Series 8 itself delivers a close, comfortable shave with Bronze Advanced Foil System, adapting smoothly to facial contours while remaining gentle on sensitive skin. If you want premium Braun quality, extended battery life, and unmatched portability, without paying Series 9 prices, this is easily one of the best mid-range electric shavers available. The Philips Norelco i9000 Prestige Ultra is the best rotary for shaving less often. Triple action lift and cut. Gently lifts hair to cut hair at root level, up to 0.08 millimeters below skin, for day-long closeness, even in hard-to-shave areas. 360-degree precision flexing heads, 20% more precision even in the hardest-to-reach areas like under the nose and neck. Sense IQ Pro. Powered by AI, Norelco's best shaver delivers an incredibly personalized shave experience adapted to you, efficient in every pass, even on a 7-day beard. Designed to cut hair in any direction thanks to the 360 rotating nanotech precision blades with 165,000 cutting actions per minute. Bluetooth enabled, app connected, and full custom color display. recognized as one of 2025's most notable introductions for standout technology, including AI integration and luxe design, perfect for Rotary shaver fans. The Braun Series 3. ProSkin 3040S is best for the budget-conscious buyer. Close, clean shave. The 3-blade free-floating system follows facial contours for a flawless finish, includes a middle trimmer to cut difficult hairs along with 2X Sensofoil shaving elements for ultimate closeness and skin comfort, captures more hair, precision trimmer for accurate mustache and sideburn trimming, includes a specialized micro-comb designed to capture more hair in each stroke compared to the previous Braun Series 3. Built to last, durable cordless electric shaver, lasting up to 7 years, designed for hair removal with water, foam, or gel, cordless battery-powered. The rechargeable Ni-MH battery gives you 45 minutes of shave time, up to a week of shaves. A 5-minute quick charge is enough for one shave. What's in the box? Braun Series 3 electric razor, protective cap, and smart plug for automatic 100 to 240 voltage adjustment. The ultimate gift. Great Christmas, birthday, and anniversary gifts for him. The Panasonic Arc 3 ESLL 41K is the current best 3-blade Panasonic hybrid beard trimmer and shaver, shave, trim, and detail hair, mustaches, and beards, all with one versatile high-performance men's grooming tool. Precision shaving. The Japanese-crafted 3-inner-blade outer foil shaver captures and cuts hair for smooth, close shaving. A smart shaving sensor detects beard density. Comb attachments for beards and mustaches. 2 clip-on comb attachments provide 7 trim-length settings for touch-ups and styling. An integrated slide-up trimmer. Cordless razor. A quiet, high-speed 13,000 CPM linear motor maintains peak performance throughout battery life to optimize cordless shaving, detailing, and trimming results. Wet-dry convenience. Shave, trim, and groom dry anytime or in the shower. The washable design makes maintenance simple. Just rinse the groomer under warm, running water. The Remington F5 is best for a close shave on a budget. Pivot and flex foil technology. This Remington electric shaver stays close to the skin and flexes around the contours of your face for smooth results. Rechargeable battery. Enjoy 60 minutes of cordless use. Charge for 24 hours before first use to maximize battery life. Regular charge time is 2 hours. Worldwide voltage compatible. Pop-up detail trimmer. Ideal for precise grooming of facial hair and sideburns. Press the trimmer release button to use. Press down to close. Designed for quick, clean finishing touches. Intercept shaving technology. Positioned between foils to pre-trim longer hairs for a closer shave. Use on dry, oil-free skin. Hold at a right angle and apply even pressure. Easy to clean beard and hair shaver. Rinse under the faucet to keep it clean and ready for your next shave. Includes a limited 2-year warranty. Perfect budget option. All right, everyone. Those are the best electric shavers of 2026. Whether you choose the premium Braun Series 9 PRO Plus, the ultra-close Panasonic Arc 5, the value-packed Braun Series 8, the Rotary Philips Norelco i9000, or one of our top budget picks, you're getting a shaver built for comfort and performance. Remember, the best shaver comes down to foil versus Rotary, budget, shave closeness, and wet-dry needs. Drop a comment. What shaver do you use? If this video helped, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.